Hello everyone, this is Lisa and Timothy with the Home Hunters YouTube channel. We'll be showing you two more affordable houses today, both which are under $100,000. The first one here is listed at $89,900. It has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and over 1,500 square feet. It's on 218 East Wheeler Street in Edna, Kansas. The house was built in 1920 and is over a little bit over a 10,000 square foot lot. It's just east of Coffeyville. Edna offers elementary schooling with high school students attending Labette County. This home features 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The first floor includes 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And then I guess there's 2 more upstairs. The house is equipped with central heating and air conditioning. And the windows have been updated to double paned.
I like the idea of 2 bedrooms being downstairs because what if you can't go upstairs? What if you've got an injury or you're sick or you're just older and you can't go upstairs anymore? That makes it so you can still live in that home.
That is good. Yeah, it's definitely good. It also does have a garden and flower beds in the front yard. There was a new roof put on in 2016 by the past owner. And the playhouse does not stay but can be purchased for $500. Now, the central heat and air is a little older, but the seller is willing to put in a new one, but for $7,000 more in the listing price. The house has been on the market for 79 days. The listing agent name is right here. Phone number is 620-252-8924. Now we can look at the photos of this house. It has this cool little fence in front of it. And those flower beds they talked about in the description are out here in the front also. Some bushes in front of the porch for privacy. I do like the style of this house, you know, the peak right here. And I also like the shutters.
Nice. I would put some like hydrangeas in front of this little picket fence out here. Wouldn't that look really pretty?
Right here, yeah.
Yeah, hydrangeas, you know, they could have blue flowers on them, greenery with blue flowers. That would be so beautiful.
It would be nice, yeah. Here is the inside of the house now. This is the kitchen area.
I see an electric stove and a dishwasher. And they have it all.
It looks like a new bronze sink too. A faucet. Not a sink, but a faucet.
A faucet.
I love these hardwood floors too. Actually, they might be laminate. It might be laminate flooring. They're very nice though.
It looks really shiny, so it looks more like laminate.
Probably laminate, yes. They're very pretty. I like the woodwork here on the banister of the stairway also. Here's a side view of the front yard with those flower beds again. Here's the dining and kitchen area. And I do see it has a pantry here also.
Love pantries.
Me too, definitely. And dishwasher and everything. It's good. Looks like you're all good to go in this kitchen. And here's the dining and living area here. It's really nice.
I really love this dining and living area.
It's very
all
nice,
those beautiful windows. And
I
they're
know.
low.
They are, yeah. They let in a lot of natural light.
Yeah. And like I always say, your pets can look out the windows. We've always lived in places with high windows and our dog or cat can't look out.
Yeah.
And I know that your pets would love these windows. It's really nice. I like the flow of this house.
Yeah, me too. It has a very open floor plan.
Yeah. Sorry about that. We live on a busy street. Loud mufflers.
Yeah. Here's the pantry right here. Looks like plenty of space for food. It's good. I like having a lot of storage for food. I like to eat. And here's the first bedroom, which is the master bedroom. You can see the bathroom there attached. It took lots of angles of this bedroom, which was very helpful.
Mm-hmm.
Some shelves in here too, built-in shelves. It has that same nice laminate flooring in this room.
That's kind of strange. The toilet is in the corner.
Yeah.
You're in trouble.
Yeah.
You're gonna go sit in the corner.
Yeah. And this little bathroom has a shower area too. And here is the second bedroom. Also has those low windows in this room,
I love
which
those.
is very nice. Oh, by the way, that was the second bathroom right here. These pictures, they didn't show it very well, unfortunately, in these
Yeah.
photos at least.
Yeah.
The utility room. Looks like this utility room is right off one of the bathrooms.
At least you have your own utility room.
Mm-hmm.
At least it's in a little area of
Okay,
its
you
own.
can see the second bathroom better here.
Yeah, I wonder why they don't show it.
I'm not sure.
Maybe they forgot.
Maybe. They took a lot of photos of this house. They may have
Yeah.
forgotten.
They did a ton.
Here's one of the upstairs bedroom, the third bedroom. And that same laminate flooring is up here too, which is nice. And the fourth bedroom finally, which is also upstairs. Remember, this house does have a little over 1,500 square feet. That's how they have 4 bedrooms and two bathrooms.
It doesn't look like it's that big from the outside.
No, it doesn't look small on the outside. It's funny.
Yeah.
But it's really a big place. Here's that fourth bedroom again. The landing. And back to the third bedroom. And here is on the landing. I'm guessing this is the attic access right here. It's the door that's kind of floating here. Here's the outdoor air conditioning unit. I wonder what they use this wood structure here for. It's very interesting.
It could be like a little covered area to sit.
Could be. Here's the flower beds up close. Okay, now we'll see where this one is located on the map real quick. It's northeast of Tulsa, Oklahoma, and west of Springfield, Missouri. It's also southeast of Wichita, Kansas. And remember, it is in Edna, Kansas. And here's a street view of it. The street view is taken back in 2014, so it's a little outdated. Just keep that in mind.
Which one is the house?
This is the property right here,
Okay.
back in 2014.
It didn't put it on the right location.
No, it didn't. You can get a little bit of an idea of the area from this. You have your driveway over here.
I like that tree.
I like it too. It's
from the
nice.
driveway.
Those trees are still there too. Okay, now we can move on to the second property, but before we do, I want to ask everybody to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out and helps more people that could use these homes or that could need affordable housing to be able to see them. Now we can move on to the second property here.
This one is in Princeton, Missouri, and it is 29.5. 3 bedroom, 1 bath, 1,108 square feet. It's on East Elm Street, 19870 East Elm Street. It was built in 1942, and it's on 0.4 acres, almost half an acre. It sits on a dead-end street, and it has a 70 by 165-foot lot, an open backyard with many mature trees. It has metal siding, an attached carport, and 2 small outbuildings. It has a brand new furnace, a mini split, and a newer water heater. It's been on the market for only 7 days, and you can contact the property owner at 660-748-5813.
Let's look at the photos of this one. This one's really nice on the inside. You're going to be surprised by it. For $30,000, you wouldn't expect much, but it's very nice. It has a carport outside, as you can see, 1-car carport. Some trees behind it. Okay, here's the first bedroom, which has hardwood flooring.
Nice hardwoods.
They're very nice. They're in very good shape.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the second bedroom, also with hardwood flooring. And here's the main living area and dining room. I can see it has a mini split on the wall. Also, those nice hardwoods are in here too. It's very pretty.
Mm-hmm.
It's such a good price for this home.
I would lighten up the wall color. The light, it's already got enough darkness.
It's true.
If they lighten up the wall color, it would make it all that would really look out,
It
pop
would,
out.
It would stand
really
out
nice.
more, yeah.
Yes, it wouldn't look so dark.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of dark and dreary in there because of the paint color, I think.
Yeah, I know what you mean, yeah.
And then put some pretty curtains on the windows.
Mm-hmm.
And it would make all the difference.
It would. It really would. Here's a third bedroom, also with hardwood flooring. I mean, the hardwoods are in good shape in every room, too.
Yeah.
There's a closet space for the third bedroom. Here's a kitchen area, which has a dishwasher.
It's so little that they have a dishwasher.
Yeah, yeah.
They have their priorities straight, right?
They do, yeah. They don't have too many cabinets in here.
No.
Here's the other side of the kitchen, which could be maybe a breakfast eating area. And the utility room, which has the breaker box in here, and the water heater. And there's a new furnace.
Ooh, that's nice looking.
It's very nice. There we're looking in from the utility room into the kitchen and living area now. And there's a bathroom, which has laminate flooring in this room, shower tub combo, and new vanity. It's very nice.
That is nice.
Okay, let's see where this house is located now. It's northeast of Kansas City, and it is south of Des Moines. It's near small towns like Bethany and Mill Grove. Now this one does not have a street view, so we'll have to look at it from overhead. But I will say it is on a dead-end street. So it's going to be pretty quiet because of that. Okay, so there's a highway here, and then you turn off onto Elm Street, which is the street this property is on. And it's right here. So you got like a few neighbors around you. And there on the corner here, there's a food store. Or pizza place, actually.
I love those trees in the back because it's going to give you a little bit of the noise block from the road behind you.
Yeah, that is nice. You just have a few neighbors around you, and that's all.
Mm-hmm. The house next door looks really nice, too.
It does.
The one on the very end?
That one, yeah, 1306, yeah. It's a nice looking area. It really is. Okay, that'll be it for us today, everybody. Thank you for watching the video, and remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like these in the future. Have a nice day, everyone, and stay tuned for more. Bye.